Then, Father, I'm home. Where do you want me to put this big stone? Ayah, aku pulang. Di mana kamu aku ingin taruh ini batu? This time, Kelingking's father realized his mistake. Akhirnya bapaknya menyadari kesalahannya. It was true that Kelingking's body was small and he ate much food. Benar bahwa Kelingking itu badannya kecil tapi makannya banyak. But he was a nice kid and he had great power. Tapi anaknya baik dan memiliki kekuatan yang besar. With that power, they could get a job and had a lot of money. Dengan kekuatan itu dia bisa mendapat pekerjaan dan banyak uang. The father then apologized to Kelingking. Since then, they always work together. Akhirnya ayahnya minta maaf ke Kelingking. Sejak saat itu mereka bekerja bersama. Okay. The question is, the text tells the story of Kelingking, Kelingking's family, Littlefinger, an obedient child, Kelingking and his father. Kelingking. Ingat, cerita itu bercerita tentang siapa? Berarti ini kayaknya cerita tentang Kelingking. Obedient child benar, tetapi kan itu hanya salah satu dari paragraf. Kelingking's family benar kan dia cerita ada emaknya, tetapi kan itu hanya paragraf di awal-awal. Kan ini bercerita keseluruhannya tuh. Littlefinger juga benar, tetapi kan itu hanya satu bagian kalimat. Ya enggak? Anda harus pilih jawaban yang kira-kira bisa mewakili semua. Oke. 23. Why did the father want to leave Kelingking in the jungle? Kenapa? A. He wanted to kill Kelingking? Enggak. He regretted that his child was so small? Enggak. He could not afford to feed the child. Benar. Karena dia kan miskin. Sementara si Kelingking makannya banyak. Dia nggak bisa ngasih makan anaknya. C. Okay. I cannot hold it anymore. I want to put Kelingking in the jungle. The closest meaning to the underlined word is hold. Hold. Hold itu apa? A. Survive. B. Stop. C. Bear. Realize. Cut down. Survive. Ya. Jadi nggak tahan gitu kan? Kenapa? Karena si Kelingking makannya banyak. What lesson can we learn from the story? Pelajaran apa yang bisa kita ambil dari story itu? A. Don't leave your child in the jungle. Bener juga sih, ya. B. Don't underestimate a small person. C. Pray to God every day. Bener juga kan? D. Be thankful to God. E. Father and son can be good team. B. Don't underestimate a small person. Jangan menganggap remeh orang kecil karena dia bisa jadi punya kekuatan besar. Gitu. Oke. Number 22. Oh, nih ada satu pertanyaan. How did the couple feel when they saw the baby was as small as Littlefinger? A. Sad. B. Happy. C. Worried. D. Surprised. E. Thankful. Kira-kira yang mana? Surprise ya. Nah, ada kata-katanya kan, lihat. However, they were surprised. Terkejut. Oke. Gampang ya. Nah, itu the text is for question 26 to 30. Gangan. Belitung style fish soup. Nah, berarti bercerita tentang makanan. Ingredients. 500 gram ikan bandeng, bandeng fish. 500 gram singkong, cassava. 1000 milliliter water. 2 salam leaves. 1 teaspoon asam, tamarind. 1 teaspoon palm sugar. Half teaspoon salt. Spice to green. 2 shallots. 2 candle nuts. 2 cloves garlic. 3 cm ginger. 2 cm laos. 3 cm turmeric. 4 red chilies. 1 teaspoon shrimp. 1 lemongrass. Kalau ada yang nggak ngerti terusin aja. Jangan berhenti di situ. Ngerti? Next, the direction. Direction, clean the fish and slice it into 2 or 3 pieces. Bersihkan ikan dan iris menjadi 3 atau 2 pieces. Bukan iris ya, potong. Slice the singkong into small pieces. Singkongnya diiris-iris. Pound or grind the ingredients into a paste. Apa itu artinya? Hancurkan, kumpulkan, kemudian dihancurkan menjadi paste, menjadi pasta. Heat in a pan the water and the spices, the salam and the singkong. Panaskan di dalam air. Lower the heat and add the fish. Ya, kurangi panasnya, tambahkan ikan, the salt and the palm sugar, and let it simmer slowly until the singkong and the fish are cooked. Gitu ya. Oke. What is the text about? How to cook gangan. Good. Which of the following ingredient has to be ground? Siapakah, di manakah bahan baku yang harus berada di yang paling bawah? Hah? Kira-kira answer is palm sugar. Oke. Okay. Next. Oke. Okay. Kemudian, the recipe needs 500 gram Bandung fish. It means that it needs a kilo. Half. Ya, kan 1 kilo 1000 gram kan? Berarti kalau 500 gram berarti setengah. What is the purpose of the text? Untuk apa teks itu tujuannya? A. To show how to cook. B. To inform about the best soup. C. To explain how to make fish soup. D. To describe the recipe of gangan. Yes, the describe of recipe of gangan. Clean the fish and slice into 2 or 3 pieces. What is closest meaning of the underlined word? A. Cut. Berarti dipotong. Ya. Nah, itu jawabannya sampai nomor 3.